Good morning students, Sai Ram. Today we are going to write dictation test of EVS 1 lesson number 1 and 2. So I want you all to be ready with a notebook and a pencil and rubber in your hand and write the numbers 1 to 20. I am going to dictate 20 words. You are going to listen to me carefully and you are going to write these words, okay? And put today's date. Write the heading as EVS 1 lesson number 1 and 2 dictation test. See, can you see it on the screen? And don't forget to put today's date, okay? What is today's date? 3rd July 2020, 3-7-20, and write the heading as EVS 1 lesson number 1 and 2 dictation test. I hope you all are ready. Shall I start? Okay, I'll count till 5. I'll give you more time to settle down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shall I start? Okay, the first word, listen to me very very carefully. Chrysalis. Chrysalis. Write the first word as chrysalis. Now second one. I'll repeat each word how many times? Only 3 times. So be alert and listen to me carefully. Second one, pupa. Pupa. Second word is pupa. Now third one, caterpillar. Caterpillar. Third one, right? Caterpillar. Over. Now fourth one, number 4, larva. Larva. Number 4 is larva. Now write number 5, aggressive. Aggressive. Number 5 is aggressive. Now write number 6. Okay, we are doing the 6th one, nectar. Nectar. Write the 6th one as nectar. Now 7th one, okay? Carnivore. Carnivore. 7th one is carnivore. Now 8th one, we are going to write number 8, okay? Herbivore. 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 Now 9th one, okay? Nilgai. 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 Now the 10th one, pangal. Pangal. 10th one is pangal. Okay. Now 11th one, mohur. Mohur. 11th one is mohur. Done. Now 12th one, Karvandas. Karvandas. 12th one is Karvandas. 13th Jamun. 13th is Jamun. Now number 14, Slumber. Now number 15, Pesticides. Number 16, Arboreal. Done. Now number 17, Insecticides. Number 17 is insecticides. Okay. Now last 3 words are remaining. 18th one is prey. 19th, emerges. Number 19 is emerges. Done. And the last word is milkweed. Over. Now check your words. Okay, I'll repeat once again, only once. You just see whether you have written it properly and you have written it according to the correct numbers. Your first word is chrysalis. Second word is pupa. Third word is caterpillar. Fourth word is larva. Fifth is aggressive. Sixth is nectar. Seventh is carnivore. Eighth one herbivore. Ninth one nilgai. 10th one pangal. 11th mohur. 12th karvandas. 13 jamun. 14 slumber. 15 pesticides. 16 arboreal. 17 insecticides. 18 prey. 19 emerges. And 20 milkweed. Okay, now what you are going to do, now I am going to show you each word. You are going to correct it on your own, whether it is right or whether it is wrong. Okay, be honest. If it is wrong, give it as wrong. If it is right, give it as right. And the words which you will get it wrong, write it 3 times. Okay, write those wrong words 3 times as we do it in the school. Do you remember? We write it 3 times whatever you get wrong. Okay, you can correct it on your own. I will show you each word. Okay, just see. First word was chrysalis. Okay, can you see that? CHRYSALIS, chrysalis. So if it is right, if you have written right, give it right. If it is wrong, give it wrong and write it 3 times. No harm in that. Okay, be honest. Second one was PUPA, pupa. Okay, can you see that? Pupa. Third one, caterpillar. CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. Okay. Fourth one was larva. LARVA, larva. Corrected. Now fifth one. Aggressive. 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 I think most of you must have gone wrong in this word. Why wrong? Because most of you must have written single G somewhere or single S somewhere. That is why you must have gone wrong, I feel. Okay, sixth one. Nectar. Nectar. Corrected. Seventh one was Carnivore. Carnivore. Eighth one. Herbivore. Herbivore. Ninth one. Nilgai. Now here also I think you all must have made a mistake by writing GIA. So it is Nilgai. Nilgai. Okay. 10th one. Pangal. 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 Here also you all must have written single A. In PAA it is double A. Pangal. So check it properly, okay? Then 11th one was MOHUR. Mohur. This was an easy word, okay? Then 12th one. Karvandas, okay? KARVANDAS. Karvandas. If you all have not written S, don't give it as wrong. Put it as right only, just add a S, because but next time be careful, listen to it carefully. It is Karvandas, so you all have to add S. If you all have not added S, it is not wrong, just add S and give it correct. But rest of the spelling check, okay? Only the last S I say. Jamun. GAMUN. Jamun. 13th one was Jamun. This is an easy word. I guess everybody must have got right. 14. SLUMBER. Slumber. Check. Now 15. PESTICIDES. Pesticides. Check. Now 16. Arboreal. 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 Now 17th one was INSECTICIDES. Insecticides. Okay. See children, these words are important. You are going to use them while writing your exam. So you should be thorough with these words. The majority of the words which I have given in this dictation test is going to help you in your exams. So while writing answers and all, these words are going to help you. So you see that you do the correction if you all have got it wrong and learn the words, okay? Now 18th one was PREY. Pray. This was the easiest word, okay? Pray. But I think you all must have written the one which we join our hands and pray to God, not that pray. In that is AY. This is EY. Pray. Pray means the food of the animal, okay? The pronunciation is the same, so you have to be very, very careful. In EVS 1, prey means it is the food of the animal, because we are learning about animals and birds and plants. So check your spelling. I think most of you all must have written PRAY. That is wrong. Give wrong and make it correct, right? PREY. Pray. Now the second last one, that is 19th one. EMERGES. Emerges. Okay. And the last one was MILKWEED. Milkweed. So children, have you corrected all your words? And you can give marks also on your own. Out of 20, write 20 down. Count how many you have got right and write that number up. Okay. And if you have got it wrong, what you are going to do? You are going to correct that word. How many times? You are going to write that word 3 times. Learn it so that you become thorough in all the words. Okay. So we have finished with our dictation test today. So thank you for listening to me carefully. Good day.